I know that concept art in particularly, it's quite a niche subject, but the University of Staffordshire stood out a lot to me because it's the #1 ranked for games, and it's a really reputable sort of university that's recognised amongst the games industry. We do a bunch of different modules that range across to also help you decide what you really like designing. I sort of found out I like designing environments, but I also did creature design, I did character design to help you sort of like explore a bit more of what you like to do. So you cover sort of all those sections throughout the course and the degree at uni. When we do our dissertation project, it's called your final year project, you get complete free reign on what you want to do. It's completely up to you. So I was thinking again, okay, what am I really passionate about? What do I really love? I love music, I love designing like these sort of spaces, I love going to concerts. So I thought, why don't I just do that? And in film and media, especially as well in games, it's not that well covered. Like, it's just sort of a B-roll shot sometimes in a movie where it's just like someone walking through a club. Final Set to Survive, my project, is based on 2 environments, one of them based in Berlin, one in Rio. I wanted to do a project based around music because I think ultimately I'd love to go into that, designing for artists and doing their stage sets. My creative process that I usually do is, first of all, I like to do sketches, especially with concept art. Sketches are really essential to do. They're sort of your main foundation of what you're going to build and create. We use a software called Blender. It's a free software. A lot of people in the industry use it. And then once I'm fully done in 3D, I move to do it in Photoshop. And you add a load of After Effects to just make it look more realistic. It means a lot to me to showcase my work today because it's something that I've worked on for weeks and weeks. So it's very important that a sort of project that I was really passionate about, that I put a lot of work into, and that I was also really pleased with the outcome. It's nice to sort of get recognition from industry, like especially today I spoke to someone at Atom Hawk and he was really nice, super complimentary. Just having that reaffirmed to you that, you know, you should be proud of your work and having it on display is really important when you spent so long working on it.